Hey everyone, if you're looking to add new contacts to your Gmail account, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to add contacts to your Gmail account. First, go ahead and open the settings on your phone. Now scroll down or search for contacts. Tap on it. Now tap on Gmail and tap on full access. Go back, tap on Gmail, and that's it. You have successfully added contact to your Gmail account on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, and if you want more tips and tricks, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Got any questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.